In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Chase debit card using the Chase app so you can start using it for purchases, online payments, or ATM withdrawals right away. First, open the Chase app on your iPhone or Android device. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, sign in with your username and password to access your Chase banking account. After signing in, look for the Cards section in the app. Tap on it, and you'll see an option to activate your debit card. Select your card from the list if you have multiple cards, and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to enter the last 4 digits of your card for verification. Once confirmed, your card will be activated and ready for use. Alternatively, you can activate your Chase debit card directly at a Chase ATM. Simply insert your card, enter your PIN, and follow the prompts to activate it. After this, your debit card will be fully functional for in-person and online transactions. And that's it. It's a quick and simple process to get your Chase debit card ready to use. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.